Having trouble installing Windows 11 updates due to error code 0x80080008? Don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to fix this issue and get your system updating again. First, open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type SFC/scannow. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Recovery. Locate Advanced Startup. Click on Restart Now. Click on Restart Now again. Press Troubleshoot. Press Advanced Options. Press Startup Settings. Press Restart. Press your F4 key. Open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Locate Software Distribution. Right-click it and select Delete. Restart your PC. Now run Windows Update.